Okay, so I'm going out, nakapag-skincare na ako and everything. Just need to apply a very, very, very light makeup. So I started off with Maybelline concealer, Super Stay concealer. So ayan, this is my go-to concealer kasi maganda siyang gamitin. And light lang yung ginamit ko kasi mainit nga dito, so ayokong mag-cakey yung face ko and maglagkit, alam mo yun. I'm also gonna use this pressed powder. So, yan, ganyan lang siya. And I'm using a brush kasi gusto ko talaga, light lang talaga siya. Light lang. As in, I'm just dusting off it off my face. Whatever. Guess yun na yun. So, ayan, ganyan. Very, very light lang kasi ayoko nang malagkit. Hindi rin ako gumamit ng foundation kasi ayoko ng feeling na malagkit in this era. Actually, you know, I have zits. So I have some, you know, nagbe-break out yung face ko. Kasi mainit and also I have my period. So, what do you expect? So, ayan. We're just in front of the window. So, we have a very good lighting here. O, diba? Effect na. Ayoko lang ng, alam mo yun, ma-oily and sticky yung face. So, using a very light pressed powder lang. So, ganyan lang. And then, I'm gonna need to get my blush on. So, blush on naman, I'm using Estee Lauder. And ganito lang siya. So, yeah. Gusto ko yung color nito kasi may blurry effect siya. Gusto ko lang may color yung face ko. O, diba? Ganda. Effect na. Diba? Ganyan lang. Narinig niyo ba yung airplane? Sobrang baba ng airplane dito. Sobrang lapit lang ng nung airport. And maya yung dating nila. So, and then I'm just gonna get a little bit of highlighter. Yan, pang effect lang. Yan. Ganun lang. Diba? Very simple. Very chic ang atake. Very virginized. Charot. So, I'm going in a few. Actually, saglit lang naman ako sa Maya. Kasi mag-withdraw lang ako. And then, I'm debating which lip product should I use. I have here this Maybelline. And this one. This one kasi I need to reapply. So, maybe I'll just papatong ko na lang siya. So, this one is my favorite. It's in the shade Saucy. It's very saucy. See? It's so nice. It's a very, very nice color. Fresh na fresh. You see that? See that? See that? It's so nice. I'm telling you, ang dami ko na nabudol sa lipstick na to. Maybelline Vanille in the shade 65 Saucy. Ayan. So, ayan. Mamaya ko na lang to sigurong gabi gagamitin. So, ano muna tayo ngayon? Very angelic ang atake. Very, very fresh lang. And then, ayan. Pwede na tayong romanta. Okay. Ayan. Bago pala ako lumabas, I'm just gonna take my very trusted glutathione. So I'm using this Soft Glow S-Acetyl Glutathione with vitamin C and zinc. O, diba? Kompleto na lahat. Saan ka pa? Ano pang hinahanap mo, guys? Nandito na lahat. This is my second bottle na. So I'm taking 2. Oh my gosh, nalaglag na. So I'm actually taking 2 capsules a day. So dalawa lang kailangan mo. Pwede rin namang once a day lang, but mas effect kapag, alam mo yun, dalawa yung tinik mo. So, happy na. So, ayan. Ayan. And we're ready to go. Ready na tayo rumapa. I'm just gonna show you one last turn. Okay. We're ready. Let's go. So I'm bringing my laptop with me. And of course I need a cap kasi nga mainit. I'm just gonna put this inside me. And kasi I'll be going to yellow. So we actually each have our own rooms. So in this Airbnb space, there's like 8 rooms. Actually, kung isasama mo yung attic, there will be like 10.
Hi, Oli.
10 or 12?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Pakiyot muna tayo dito for a moment while we're waiting for my Grab. So I'm taking a Grab going to, it's actually a 15-minute ride going to Maya Mall. So wala naman masyadong traffic. And yeah, there's Maya.